opportunity should not discriminate. The ball should bounce the same for everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Base for Life. Today, we'll be discussing the top 5 most developed countries in the world. Development can be measured in various ways such as economic growth, education, healthcare, infrastructure, and overall quality of life. Based on these factors, we have compiled a list of the top 5 most developed countries in the world. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Canada. Canada is a country known for its friendly people, natural beauty, and strong economy. It is the 5th most developed country in the world. The country is known for its high standard of living, excellent healthcare system, and quality education. Canada also has a diverse economy, with industries such as manufacturing, natural resources, and service sectors contributing to its growth. Number 4. Germany. Germany is the 4th most developed country in the world. It is known for its strong economy, high standard of living, and excellent healthcare system. Germany is also known for its world-class education system and technological advancements. The country is home to several top universities and research institutions, making it a hub for innovation. Number 3. Switzerland. Switzerland is the 3rd most developed country in the world. It is known for its strong economy, high standard of living, and excellent healthcare system. Switzerland is also known for its natural beauty, with the Swiss Alps attracting millions of tourists every year. The country is also known for its banking and finance industry, with many of the world's top banks based in Switzerland. Number 2. Japan. Japan is the 2nd most developed country in the world. It is known for its advanced technology, strong economy, and high standard of living. Japan is also known for its world-class education system, with many of its universities ranking among the top in the world. The country is also famous for its unique culture, delicious cuisine, and beautiful scenery. Number 1. Norway. Finally, the most developed country in the world is Norway. Norway is known for its high standard of living, excellent healthcare system, and quality education. The country is also known for its stunning natural beauty, with fjords, mountains, and glaciers attracting tourists from all over the world. Norway's economy is based on natural resources such as oil and gas, and it has one of the highest per capita incomes in the world. Let's dive deeper into each of these countries. Starting with Canada, it is a vast country with a population of over 38 million people. Canada has one of the highest standards of living in the world, with its citizens enjoying a high level of social welfare and public services. The country also has a diverse and strong economy, with a strong focus on technology and innovation. Canada is also known for its multicultural society and welcoming attitude towards immigrants. Moving on to Germany, it is the largest economy in Europe and the 4th largest economy in the world. The country is known for its engineering and manufacturing prowess, with companies like Volkswagen, BMW, and Siemens being global leaders in their respective industries. Germany is also known for its world-class education system, with many of its universities offering free or low-cost education to both local and international students. Switzerland is a small country with a population of just over 8 million people. However, it is one of the richest and most developed countries in the world. The country has a high standard of living and is known for its excellent healthcare system, low crime rate, and quality education. Switzerland is also famous for its banking and finance industry, with many of the world's top banks based in Zurich and Geneva. Japan is a unique country with a rich history and culture. It has the world's 3rd largest economy and is known for its advanced technology and high standard of living. The country is also known for its exceptional infrastructure, with its public transportation system being one of the most efficient in the world. Japan is also home to several top universities and research institutions, making it a hub for scientific and technological advancements. Finally, Norway is a Scandinavian country with a population of just over 5 million people. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, with its fjords, mountains, and glaciers attracting millions of tourists every year. The country also has one of the highest standards of living in the world, with excellent public services such as healthcare, education, and social welfare. Norway's economy is based on natural resources such as oil and gas, which has helped the country build a strong economy with a high per capita income. In conclusion, these 5 countries have demonstrated their commitment to building strong economies and providing their citizens with a high standard of living. While there are many other developed countries in the world, these 5 have distinguished themselves in terms of economic growth, social welfare, and technological advancements. That's it for today's video on the top 5 most developed countries in the world. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you're interested in learning more about the top developed countries in the world, we recommend doing further research to gain a deeper understanding of their unique cultures, economies, and social structures. You can also check out our other videos on various topics such as technology, education, travel, and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Finally, we appreciate your support and would love to hear your feedback. If you have any suggestions or topics you would like us to cover, please let us know in the comments section. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.